Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, Maharashtra. I warmly welcome all of you on behalf of the organization. I welcome and thank all of you for your overwhelming response and participation in this international e-conference. Director of Higher and Technical Education, Department of Maharashtra State, Dr. Mane sir, and Vice Chancellor of Sant Gadge Baba, Amravati University, Dr. Chandekar sir. Due to the inspiration and initiative of this conference, Director Dr. Helavi Reddy sir, will be held under the great guidance of Dr. Irshad Ahmad, Professor Elizabeth, Dr. Mumtaz Beg, Dr. Faruqi, Dr. Ragade, Dr. Yavle, Dr. Dhote, Dr. Patil, Dr. Taide, and Dr. Malodi. I think this is the first conference to be held with many signatures. I am thankful all of members and also thankful to organizing committee members. I congratulate organizing coordinator Dr. Yasmin Siddiqui. She has worked tirelessly for this conference. Considering India's population and resources, India has lot of control over corona than any other countries. The only reason for this is the great culture. Here it is still untouched. In this situation, many people entertain themselves through music. Music has the power to relieve stress on the mind and body. The work of education has been hampered, but the work of teaching and learning has not stopped. Various classes are being conducted through Zoom meeting, Google Meet, Google Classes, WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook Live, etc. All educational activities like workshop, conferences, refresher, seminar, competition continued through new technology. Many new decisions were made in this regard. Some things were implemented with the new process. Due to the lockout, the convocation ceremony was held online for the first time in the history of the country. The effectiveness of music is well known around the world. Music is a superpower. The mind, the brain has many visible, invisible means of gratification, but the satisfaction of emotion is through music. In ancient times, it was possible to twist the natural force in the desired direction with the help of music. That was the sadhana of Nada Brahma. Music, not only its effect was seen on human beings, but also animals, birds, flowers. Music helps possible to complete an impossible task. Yogis point out that the subtle structure of the body is just like sitar. Ida, Pingla, Sushumna strings are attached to the spinal cord. These strings are tied to the Kundalini. Sare Gama Padhani. When these sounds make sound from the instrument and collide with the body sound, then the inner world of man becomes musical by the struggle and assimilations. These waves are full of extraordinary power. The flow of these waves moves the acetal prana of the physical and mental world. Accordingly, different kinds of ability, interest, desire, effort, loyalty, emotions, imagination, faith, etc. emerge. So, I request to all of you enjoying lockdown period with music and stay healthy. When an event happens on global scale, its repercussions are felt all over the world, and it also causes radical changes everywhere. Coronavirus has spread all over the world, and all mankind has been shaken. The first corona was found in December 2019. After China, the corona has grown so rapidly around the world that today all the countries in the world are affected by corona. WHO declared the coronavirus epidemic on March 11th, and all countries will accept a lockdown to prevent the coronavirus. The Maharashtra government has announced a lockdown from second week of March. The lockout has been going on for almost 2 months now. Lockdown is the panacea to overcome the corona crisis. It is the moral responsibility of every citizen to stay at home during the lockdown to prevent corona, to keep safe distance, use a mask to protect against corona, to keep their diet in order and keep their body and mind healthy. In this pandemic situation, education would not be impacted as much, but radical changes took place in the education sector. Technology played a huge role in the pandemic situation. In this period, internet penetration, affordability, and quality of connectivity remain a major challenge, as well as more opportunities are upcoming in this field. HRD Ministry, UGC, ATCTE, and telecom operators, teachers should work in close coordination that students don't lose their study.